Hi, my name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. Today you are watching me on Sify.com and we are going to talk about everything that you need to know about homeopathy and about your health.
Sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Well, I have been in the profession of homeopathy, in homeopathic practice for almost 30 years. I started my practice in 1985 in a small suburb in Mumbai, and today we are treating patients from 180 countries, that is all across the world practically. We are trying to give the best of homeopathy to the patients. We are believing in using the scientifically developed homeopathy, which can be appreciated by the scientific fraternity in the world. And what we do is we try to document each and every case scientifically with all the investigations before and after the treatment, so that there is a good scientific database of the cases treated using homeopathy.
Please update us with the new face of modern homeopathy.
Well, when we say modern homeopathy, what I mean is that as the time has evolved, homeopathy is now 215 years old science, though it is the youngest medical science if you really go to see. However, with time, in fact, a lot of things did not change earlier, but we believe that homeopathy has to go hand in hand with the latest technology. So at Life Force, we are into studying the cases very scientifically. We are able to describe and define the scope of homeopathy for every disease, for every patient, very systematically, so that the patient knows what he is going to expect in the course of time with the homeopathic treatment. Not only that, but we thoroughly believe in establishing a perfect diagnosis for every disease, and we document the success in terms of, say, MRI reports or blood reports or hormonal assays, etc., establishing that there is a definite improvement which is achieved after using right kind of homeopathic treatment. So there is a scientific evidence created for practically every case treated at Life Force. That is what I mean by a modern face of homeopathy.
Kindly explain the role of homeopathy in the treatment of the acute and the chronic conditions today.
Well, homeopathy is a system which is near perfect system or near total system. What I mean by that is that homeopathy has a capacity to treat all kind of acute diseases as well as chronic diseases. However, homeopathy cannot treat critical conditions, the diseases which require intensive care. At the same time, homeopathy cannot treat those chronic diseases where there are changes, there are pathological changes which are irreversible. So homeopathy has a scope and role to play for various diseases. At the same time, it has its own limitations.